Hey guys, how to turn on NFC on iPhone. To enable NFC on an iPhone, you generally don't need manually turn it on, but NFC is usually enabled by default on iPhones from the iPhone 6 and later, and it automatically activates when needed, such as for Apple Pay or when interacting with NFC tags. If you need to scan an NFC tag, what you're gonna do, just go ahead to your shortcuts, right? Press automation at bottom middle, then hit new automation, scroll a little bit down to find NFC, press it, and then you can just go ahead and hit scan and hold your phone near an NFC tag, and whether you're trying to buy something, for Apple Pay, whatever, or interacting with NFC tag, you can right away place your phone next to NFC tag and scan it immediately, right? Which will effectively activate the NFC reader. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.